What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to hide your following list to the public. So when you go on an Instagram post, or your profile I should say, and you could see under the following, I'm following 146 people on this account, and you tap on that, you will be able to see all the people that they are following. But with this method, if you just go to settings after hitting the three lines in the upper right hand corner, and then you just hit the fourth option down, and then that is privacy. And in order to do this, you're actually going to make your account private with the tab all the way at the top there. You just hit the little lever. And I actually have a creator account, so I'm not able to actually go private at this moment right now. But if you don't have a creator account, this is super simple to do. To just go private. And then all the people on the outside that aren't following your account will not be able to click on your followers or your following list to see who is on there. Now, if some person is following you, they will be able to see this information. And I know this isn't a great fix to the solution of people seeing who you're following, but it is pretty nice if you have an account where you don't really post anything and you don't really want any followers anyway, and you could just have whatever you want, whatever creepy type of stuff you want under your following list. It is super simple to do by just going private on your Instagram profile. If you had any questions on how this works or anything like that, though, be sure to comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.